inviting me here tonight. I think it's really important for us as Somalis to celebrate our success, because a lot of the time we spend our time talking about a lot of the negativity within our community. And although I do believe that it's important to speak about the negativity in order to tackle it, I guess it's also important to be happy and spread positivity and celebrate our successes, and there are many of them. So thank you all for coming today, and I'm not going to give my poem too much of an introduction because I like to think my poetry speaks for itself. And although this particular poem is quite gender oriented, you'll notice why. It is a message to everybody out there. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy it. This is a love letter. The first that I have ever written, but who is more deserving of my first than you? So forgive me if it comes across a little shaky. The essence of what I want to share is still very true. Everything in this universe has a beginning. So I guess that is where I shall begin, at the very start. This is my love letter that has been assembled into words with my achy, breaky little heart. Dear my future daughter, whether you are the first or the last to escape the safe confines of my womb or somewhere in between, remember who you are. You are one half of the human, brought to this world for a reason. You, my dear daughter, are a woman, so don't you ever forget what that means. You are my wealth. From the point of your birth, you bring your own unique value. You have secured your place amongst the great. You, my dear daughter, are a queen. But don't you dare let them dress you up and sit you upon a throne or place you high upon a pedestal. You are not an ornament whose only purpose on this earth is to bring beauty to the walls. You are not just the female, the counterpart to the male. You, my dear daughter, are a woman, and from that status you shall never fall. You are not a trophy to be won, placed on a shelf hidden behind a glass door. You are a flower that deserves to be reckoned by the rays of light that pierce the darkness and call you to grow some more. And you need to be given enough space to grow, to become the person that you need to become. But I might make mistakes and try to control you. Please forgive your dear old mom. For you need to make these mistakes, even though some may seem grave. But you need to figure it out, how to learn from your past and turn over a new page. For this